Hey all, this is Rahul. Welcome to LWPLabs. Today we'll be discussing like if suppose you get issue in AWS and think that you don't know the solution, and suppose you are trying to seek help from AWS, what will you do? You will go to search box and search for support. You will get this support link. Click on this. Then you see there is a account and billing and technical solution. Click on technical. You can select and read any of the topics like EC2, CloudWatch, simple storage. So whatever service you are working for, suppose if you are working for EKS cluster and you are getting an issue there, you can click on this and there are some top articles which will be mentioned. Otherwise, what you can do, you can just click on the create case, click on technical. You see, you can select business support trial. So if you are in a free trial, this is a free trial account. That's why it is showing like this. But then when you work for a company, it will be simple. This thing will not come for you. Okay. You can get a business trial. Okay. But then for now, we will just ignore it. We'll try to go and search resource here. Maybe EKS. Or I think without taking the trial, we cannot do this. So we will click on the request trial. Let me just select this and request offer. So, so there are various options here. Okay, on the business support, set up AWS support in the Slack channel. Okay, we have Slack channel. We can take that particular support from Slack, or we can create a technical support case. Most of the time, you will be selecting this. Suppose contact technical support. Let us click on this and click on technical and then select this service. Okay, this is the exact thing which will be coming for you. Okay, so you will click on support and then you will come here technical and then you will select here which business you are, like which service you want to. Suppose if it is EKS, so you will click on EKS and then the category. Suppose Fargate issue. Okay, so you are trying to spin up an instance and but spin up a pod on Fargate, but then that is not coming up because of some issue. So you will select on Fargate issue, general guidance, or there are multiple production system impaired. Suppose if it's a production issue, most of the time we will be raising a ticket on in case of production issues. Okay, so you'll click on this and then click on next and then give the summary that Fargate, suppose Fargate not spinning up. Okay. Okay, something like this. And then you give the description, the error message and all, attach a file if you have a file, give the region information. If this is all recommended but optional, okay, you can give those and then next step, let us give this, okay, US East 1 cluster name. If you have the cluster name, you also have to give the cluster name. Okay, so you can get the cluster name from there. So these are the things which you have to give and then you have to click on this. So let me show you something which is simple. EC2 Elastic Compute Cloud. Okay, so if it's Compute Cloud, you can select this. Suppose there is an issue with AMI copy or EC2 run command. Okay, or IAM policy, you can select this production system impaired. Next, you can give your information that EC2 role not something like that. Role issue. give anything. Next step, I wanted to show you this particular thing wherein it will give you a lot of information like top recommendations so that you can solve it. Generally, we will just skip that. And here you see there is a web, phone, chat option. You can select any one of the option. Generally, we will, in case of production issue, always select phone, and you can give your phone number and can directly work on this. Okay. And give here your DL, the support DL. Okay. Otherwise, you can select on the web where you will, if it's not a production issue, not a very, very important issue which you need to take care now, you can click on this email address and then go ahead with that and click on submit, and you can get a support. This is what I wanted to show you in this video. Thanks a lot. Subscribe to our channel.